Right, I'm going to change the ABS sensor on the back of this wheel on my T32. First job is obviously to jack it up. I use the scissor jack, it's much easier than a hydraulic trolley jack or anything like that. Handbrake on, in gear, chock the wheels on the opposite side if you need to, jack it up, take the wheel off, and the sensor is on the rear of the brake. I'm going to getting that off now. Right, there's the sensor. I've got the torch light shining on it. It literally goes into the rear hub with just a single bolt holding it in place. One connection with two wires, and you just basically lift the little black tab, pull the connector off, and then swap the sensor over. Just takes a few seconds. Right, connector came off. There's the sensor. What we're going to do now is we're going to just remove that single bolt there, and then pull it out, and then put the new one in. Right, there's the sensor. As you can see, it's quite rusty. A lot of water's gone inside, so what I'll do is I've got some of this silicone grease here that doesn't cure, and I'll smear that over the new one and then push it in, and it should stop any more water from getting inside. Right, that's the new sensor. It's just the cheapy one from Autodoc. I didn't want to spend a fortune. I've just replaced the passenger side. I'm just doing the driver's side now, just to try and get rid of this ABS error. So I'm going to put some of the silicone grease around the base, then plop it back on again, and then do the bolt up to hold it in place. Right, there's a bit of grease on there now. What I'll do is I'll spread it around with my finger, make the whole thing watertight, and then plug it back into the hub. Right, that's now covered in grease, and I will pop it back into the hole in the hub and then refit the bolt. Hopefully that will stay watertight. Right, that's now refitted. If I can get the camera to show you, there she goes. There, that's refitted. So what we've got to do now is take the electrical connection, pop it back on again, make sure it goes click, which it did, drop the torch on the floor, there you go, and then and that is done. Now we've just got to put the wheel back on again and go for a test drive and see if the ABS error's now gone. Right, wheels back on, give it a quick wash on the inside and wash the outside. When I've loaded it back down again, give everything a quick clean, and it's time to go and give it a test drive and see if the faults have gone out.